Who gets due process in America? What is due process? Due process is the constitutional guarantee that the government must follow fair procedures before depriving someone of life, liberty, or property. It's found in the Fifth Amendment, applies to the federal government. The 14th Amendment applies to state and local governments. There are two types: procedural due process, fair procedures, e.g., notice of charges, a fair trial. Substantive due process protects certain fundamental rights from government interference, e.g., privacy, marriage, bodily autonomy. Why this matters now? If a government tries to bypass due process by secretly deporting residents, designating people as terrorists without trial, or outsourcing imprisonment to foreign countries, that's unconstitutional. Period. Who does due process apply to? Short answer: everyone on U.S. soil. Yes, even non-citizens, green card holders, undocumented immigrants, asylum seekers, tourists. The U.S. Supreme Court has repeatedly affirmed that due process protections apply to persons, not just citizens. Yickwo v. Hopkins, 1886. The court ruled that the 14th Amendment protects all persons, regardless of citizenship. Zadvitas v. Davis, 2001. Non-citizens detained for immigration violations still have constitutional due process rights. What this means in practice: you can't be imprisoned or deported without a hearing. You're entitled to legal representation in most criminal cases, but not always in immigration court. You must be notified of charges and given a chance to defend yourself. But here's the twist: immigration law operates in a legal gray zone. The courts have ruled that non-citizens outside the U.S. or at the border may have limited or no due process, especially if they haven't been formally admitted into the country. So when you hear talk about deporting people with no hearing or sending folks to foreign prisons without a trial, that's not them being tough on crime. That's them not following the Constitution.